Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Elviananda. NIM 2040122 Di sini saya akan menjawab pertanyaan yang sudah diberikan. Yang pertama yaitu language in linguistic perspective. My answer is in linguistic, language is defined as a system of sign that humans use to communicate. Language is a tool to convey thoughts, ideas, and feelings between individuals and groups. Next, language in psycholinguistic perspective. My answer is in psycholinguistic, language is viewed as a communication system that involves the production, understanding, and use of language by humans. Psycholinguistic studies how humans acquire, process, and produce language, as well as how language is related to other mental process. Next yaitu psycholinguistic perspective in terms of language production. My answer is from a psycholinguistic perspective, language production is the process by which thoughts are translated into speech, writing, or sign language. This process involves a series of complex stages from conceptualizing a message to physical producing it. The key stage in language production are: first, the conceptualization stage, the stage for determining what intention will be conveyed. Second, the formulation stage, the stage for determining what should be used and how to express the intention that exists at the conceptualization. Third, the articulation stage, the stage for conveying intention form in the form of utterance and expression. Next, psycholinguistic perspective in terms language perception. My answer is from a psycholinguistic perspective, language perception refers to the cognitive process involved in interpreting and understanding spoken, written, or sign language. This involves multiple stages that allow individuals to recognize and derive meaning from linguistic input, such as words, sentence, and large discourse. Therefore, language perception occurs in 4 stages, including perception stage, word recognition stage, perception stage, and interpretation stage. Next, a psycholinguistic perspective, language acquisition. From a psycholinguistic perspective, language acquisition refers to the process through which humans learn and develop language skill. It encompasses both first language acquisition, typical occurring in early childhood, and second language acquisition, which can happen at any point later in life. Psycholinguistic focus on how cognitive mechanism, brain structure, and environmental factors contribute to this learning process. Next, the difference and the sameness of the 3 language use. The 3 types of language use, language production, language perception, and language acquisition, are interconnected processes within psycholinguistics that deal with how humans generate, understand, and learn language. Although they differ in their focus and cognitive mechanism, they share common underlying principles. While language production, language perception, and language acquisition are distinct processes with different focuses, output, input, and learning respectively. They share many underlying cognitive mechanisms and brain structures. This process work together to allow humans to effectively communicate, understand, and learn language throughout life. I think that's all my answer. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.